Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Capricorn. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards here. We have Ace of Wands, Page of Cups, and King of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe, guys, there are some things not up to your expectation. Maybe you are someone who works hard, who is really talented, responsible, and dedicated. You use all your skills and talents, and you are someone who has that strong conviction. So in whatever you do it with dedication. But the people around you, they are not like you, they are not putting in efforts like you. So that may be the reason for worry you have in your situation, guys. But even though they are not working hard, or they are trying to what to say, pull you down in certain things, maybe the efforts they are making are not up to the mark. There may be some troubles because of that, but whatever the case may be, you are seeing some new beginnings in your work, or it may be in this relationship, and there is some kind of a positive progress. It may be a new project or a new collaboration partnership in your business. So some positive changes are here for you today, guys. A new beginning which you love, which is using your skills and talents, and which you are really passionate about, guys. And it may be a new beginning in this relationship also, guys. It may be a new love with this person, or it may be a new change, a positive change in this relationship. And I also see in your situation, Capricorn, there is someone coming with the good news. Maybe someone this person has sent someone as a messenger to tell you certain things. It may be your common friend, or it may be someone coming with some good news. It may be a good news for your work, or mostly I see it as a good news in your relationship, guys. So that is going to change the way things are between you both. Maybe they have accepted your proposal, or they want to propose to you. So that may be the news, or you are getting married. That may be the good news. So some positive changes are here for you, guys, Capricorn. A very positive set of cards here for you all today, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life. And we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it, and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal, and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours, and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today, and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true. But you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people. We cooperate selflessly, and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents, and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.